Let me show you how to add a password on Notion. So once you're on your Notion account, guys, go ahead and click the workspace on the upper left hand side and click on settings. Now you want to ensure that you click on your account name on the upper left, and you will find a section for password. If you don't have any password, you'll be able to add a password. So simply click on add password, and from here you can create and confirm your password. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and create a password right here, and I'm gonna confirm that password as well. So once I do that, I'll be able to add my password. So as you can see here, I'm going to set the password, and that's it. So I can go ahead and I can save it and so forth. So once I do that, guys, what you also see is that you now have the option to set two-factor verification. So in case you want to do that afterwards, you can also set the two-factor verification. So you're not able to set that unless you have a password. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.